Welcome to PureRouter. Before we wrap up, let's explore two important links that make your PureRouter experience even better: documentation and community. On the left sidebar of the platform, right below the main navigation buttons, you'll find both options. Let's start with documentation. Clicking on it takes you to our complete technical documentation, a detailed guide that covers everything from setup and API usage to advanced routing, deployments, and optimization tips. It's designed to help both beginners and advanced developers make the most out of PureRouter. Now, let's check out Community. This button opens the official PureAI Discord server, where users, developers, and our core team discuss new ideas, share feedback, and talk about upcoming updates. It's also the best place to get quick help, report bugs, or suggest new features directly to the team. If you're testing, building, or just curious about AI routing, joining the community is the best way to stay connected. And that's it. With these tools, you now have everything you need to learn, connect, and grow inside the PureRouter ecosystem.